Hey guys. So today we are playing with my new black backdrop. It's going to be super awesome. Alright, so we are going to put our hair up in a wig cap and get started. Using the NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil, we're going to map out all the parts of our face. And oh, did I forget to say, we're creating Scar from The Lion King. Alright, so I'm going to be using my very dirty Mehron Paradise paint palette. I know, but I'm going to be using the orange, red, and yellow paints from that palette and kind of mixing them all together to create our lion color. So I'm going to take a dense, fluffy brush and put that all over the parts of my face that are going to be brown and also on my chest. And then I'm going to be taking the Mehron Black Paradise paint and putting that on my neck and around my collarbone. As well as putting the white around my muzzle, I guess is what you would call that, around my nose and mouth area. And then I'm also going to jump back into that black paint and finish covering up my nose in black, as well as my hairline in black, and giving myself some fur along my jawline. So on my neck, I'm also giving myself fur, but I'm kind of making that black more opaque by layering it up after it has dried. And then I'm also going to cover my eyebrows in black. Lots of black today. Alright, and I'm taking the NYX Liquid Suede Liquid Lipstick and going over my top lip only in the black. And now I'm going to be using my very dirty Jaclyn Hill palette and going in with the black and the orange shades in this palette. And we're going to start working on my eyes. So I'm going to automatically go in with the black and kind of deepen up my crease and my lid area. And then I'm going to take that orange and kind of just blend it out on the top and outer sides of my eyes. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Black Eye Pencil to line the insides of my eyelids. And then taking that black shade and kind of just smoking that out along the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Stick, the concealer side of that, and conceal the inside of where my scar is going to be. And then I'm also going to take some of that orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and kind of pat that in to the concealer so it doesn't look so opaque. Alright, and I'm also going to take the black from that Jaclyn Hill palette and shadow a little bit of my scar on one side and then use some white eyeliner to highlight the other side. And that's it. Easy peasy. Let's go put some eyelashes on and get going. So that was my quick, easy, and simple Scar from The Lion King makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys next Friday at 10 a.m. Bye.